Hey guys, bad intro, but I'm late to class because I was picking up Starbucks. Oh my god. But first time filming on campus. This is what I eat in a day. Not starting off great, but I'll see you after class when I actually eat. You might be wondering where I am. Also, update, I cut my hair again. Not loving it, but we're trying to work with it. It looked better this morning, but like it's raining so much outside. Like I'm very confused because I came here from Seattle. You would think I'd be used to the rain, but I'm not. I was like soaking wet when I came in, which is not helping me because I already think I'm kind of have a cold, hence the tea. I usually don't drink that much tea, but today I was really vibing with it and it tastes really good. Almost choked on my tea. But hello guys, I said good morning, but what's up? If you don't know me, my name's Melanie, and today I'm gonna be doing a little what I eat in a week vlog. So obviously I'm not gonna be filming every single thing, but anything that's kind of exciting, I want to give you like a general gist of what I eat here. A lot of it is gonna be like cafeteria food because my dorm doesn't have a kitchen. I just have like a microwave and a fridge. But anyways, we're starting off this week strong. I didn't really talk because I'm still kind of scared to film on campus, hence like I'm in the lounge right now. If someone comes in, you bet I'm gonna be like, but I usually eat like those Trader Joe's protein bars because I'm allergic to like all the protein bars to like ever exist because I'm allergic to oats and nuts and like everything. Life is just hard for me, okay? But I swear, like I want to eat breakfast in the morning. I think it's really good too. I just like I have a 9 a.m. which isn't even that early. I just can't get myself to do it. Plus I'm not that hungry in the morning. So I'll try to get coffee. I even cut coffee out of my mornings because I want to sleep. I either get egg bites from Starbucks when I go to Starbucks, or I'll eat one of those Trader Joe's bars. And they don't sell them in bulk. So I be buying those bars. I buy like 10 at a time. They're probably like, oh my gosh, this girl is back. Buy all of our bars. But I have a whole stash of those. So you see me nibbling on that in my lecture classroom. But they're so good. Funny story also, I used to not like how they tasted. Like it actually made me feel kind of nauseous when I would eat it, but now like I crave them all the time. Sometimes I eat like 2 of them a day. That was just a little rant about my bars. A lot of you guys were requesting a what I eat video and I figured I would give it to you. I haven't done one in quite a while and I think it's a fun way to get some food ideas and also just see what it's gonna be like in college if you're not here yet, because the way I eat here is pretty different than how I would eat at home, I will be honest. So you'll see that throughout the week, but thanks for coming along with me and I'll see you at my next meal. It's yogurt, dorm yogurt edition right now, on sale, yogurt. Okay, so this is a tutorial. I would do this at home, so it's like the same thing. We are whipping out all the stuff. Oh wait, I want to show you guys my butters. I have a butter collection. Okay, this is my drawer. I know it's messy. Don't judge me for that. But this butter is amazing. So I actually bought it in chocolate too. And then we have classic soy nut butter. This amazing cup that I sometimes drink coffee from. We're taking out the chia seeds and I have no clue what this is called, but it's good. It's like crunchy. It's like fake granola because I can't eat granola. These, I told you guys, obsessed with them. I have so many. Some other bars. We have this chocolate spread that's like pretty good. It's chickpea. And then I also have this one I haven't tried yet. I don't know why, but like during class when I get sad, I like to shop for different types of butters. I think this is the move for today's bowl. Unfortunately, I like rarely get fresh fruit unless it's from the calf, and then when I get it from the calf, it's actually so expensive. Like last time, I think I paid $8 for 2 blueberries. No exaggeration. Oh my gosh, everything's falling. As I was saying, no fresh fruit means I just use Trader Joe's frozen fruit, which is honestly fine because it's good anyways. I also have these little like these. I think these are from Target. They're really good. They're like brownie muffin things. They're chocolatey. I always crave chocolate stuff, and they're frozen. So I just pop it in the microwave for like, I forgot how long. I think it's supposed to be for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna do that. Let's go assemble our yogurt bowl. And then I have my liquid like stevia stuff because we gotta have that. We're gonna start off with yogurt, of course. Icelandic yogurt. Look how thick it is. Berries. Oh, I have a banana too. Ooh. This was gonna be another one for the collection. I ripped it. But I'm still gonna add it to the collection. This is the collection. The collection is fading slowly. Okay, well, now I'm thinking it's banana time. Banana time. We don't use utensils here, or like multiple utensils here. We just do a little bow, bow. Wait, I actually wanted to make this pretty. I think it's too late for that. Okay, I think I need a bigger bowl actually. Now, for some dry ingredients, we have chia seeds. Voila. Not too many. Sometimes I make chia pudding here. I also have cocoa powder in my room because sometimes I'll make like chocolate chia pudding. And then this stuff that I still don't know what it is called, but it makes it crunchy. Gives it a little texture. Muffin time. I just shove it in the middle like that. And then finishing touch. Soy nut butter. I actually thought I made these yogurt bowls really quick and I didn't realize until I started filming it that it actually kind of takes me a while. There's a lot of components in here, okay guys? Soy nut butter. I know when you look at this, it just looks like a muffin in a bowl now, but I swear. Maybe I should break the muffin up. Like crumble it a little bit. Nah, it's too late for that. All right guys, here is the finished yogurt bowl. Ta-da! And that's my giant papaya with my name tag on it that I'm gonna cut soon. Yum. I can get nervous when I got no reason to be. It's just I still can't believe that you wanna be with me. Wish I could find the words to explain just how I feel. Convince myself it's real. Hey friends, what's up? I just got back from class. I want to show you my outfit for today. Done with class around noon today. I only have 2 classes, which is nice. But as I was saying about my fit, I have been kind of struggling to pick outfits lately. It was a pretty like sweatpantsy week for me last week, but I like what I came up with today. So this is not the best angle, but let's see if this works. Can you see that? Can you see that? Do you guys ever get sore for absolutely no reason? Because like I did absolutely nothing this week, but like my back hurt. But why? Also, look at my cute clip. I had a little bit of fruit in class. Usually I'll bring either a banana, apple. Today I had grapes and blueberries, or I'll have one of those like bars. And then for lunch right now, I have like a lot of leftovers. So I'm just gonna heat that up. Perks of having, oh my gosh, it's so dark, of having a little microwave. So this is my leftovers. It's like chicken, something teriyaki stuff, and then it's like 2 different leftovers. I'm just a huge leftovers person, guys. You'll definitely see that. And I'm gonna put it in a smaller bowl because I feel like it might make it look a little better. And then I got this like sriracha. Ooh, I put like seasonings on stuff here. So I got some kake from Trader Joe's, literally of all places. And then I have this like really good sriracha. I'll show you actually. Oopsies. Needed sriracha because there's no flavor in the stuff I was eating at school, but they didn't have normal sriracha at my Whole Foods, so I got this off-brand one, but I like really like it. So I'm gonna heat this up and dig in. I got Starbucks. I got a matcha. Be proud of me. I haven't had any coffee today. Just a lot of tea. I don't know. Some days I'm just feeling it, okay? And I was also, even though it's hot out, I got a nice hot matcha. It's quite delicious. Starbucks matcha slaps. Question of the day. Blue bottle matcha or Starbucks matcha? I want to know. Okay, peace. I'm gonna go do accounting. Is it chocolatey?
Sure chocolate. Wait, just in case I'm gonna
Wow.
You sure?
Grace is a real friend. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. No,
I wanna kill you now.
Okay, I'm reading it. No, it looks like kill you now.
Okay.
Cheers.
So good.
You want?
So good.
That's good. I feel like it's not too sweet.
Right?
It's like airy.
I did good with milk.
We're having editing party. pretty. You guys can't see the stars, but those are pretty too. Okay, we just they had like a clinic and they were giving out free food, so we got ramen and it actually looked so good. And they also had coffee beans, so we got chai and hot chocolate. Delish. This is so good. Okay guys, this is your first view of our cafeteria food. So I just got, I can't do this right now. I just got a salad. And then calf pizza, kind of bomb. So I just got back from the beach. I just went to crochet a little, oh my goodness. So just got back from the beach with a friend. We crocheted. In my other video, I gave you guys a little crochet update. And so now I'm just snacking fruit and then cauliflower, broccoli, mushrooms, and then I have some hummus. Fabulous combo. But if you guys know me, crafting is like a big part of my life. Love doing crafts, but just in college, not a lot of time to do it. Also, it's hard to like bring everything with you. Like I couldn't bring my sewing machine, so heartbreaking. But crocheting is something that is pretty easy. I did have to go buy new crocheting stuff, but that, no biggie. It was fine. It's pretty good. Also, you guys give me hummus recommendations. This hummus is like okay. This one's from Trader Joe's. It's like very basic, fine. Not a lot of flavor. Sometimes I literally put like Trader Joe's seasoning. Give me a second. Don't shame me for this. I don't know if this is weird, but sometimes I put the seasoning, the umami one, mushroom, Trader Joe's. Okay, I don't share this with anyone, so I hope this isn't weird, but I would do it at home and like my mom would think I was weird. And when I lived in Nessa, I would share dip, but we would literally like spray it, sprinkle it, douse it, I don't know, with seasonings or literally different seasonings. We'd have like 4 seasonings out and we'd use like hot sauces and stuff too. It gives it more flavor, I swear. I stand by this combo. Okay, well, after this, I did a lot of schoolwork this morning. Then I'm meeting tonight, and I may be baking tonight. Hopefully I do, and I will bring you guys along with me because that would be very fun. I'm trying to decide what to bake though. This is the hardest thing, and I always think about it for so long, and then I end up making like chocolate chip cookies again, but you know, we'll see. POV, you're me walking your papaya. Midway, and I forgot to film it, but I got a papaya. It's been so long since I've cut fruit, so of course, fruit cutting montage for you. And I don't know why I overthink like I do. Okay, we're making the tasty chocolate chip cookies. These are like my favorite. Guys, look, my tripod is broken.
Like,
So sad. So I already have the batter ready. I'm going to refrigerate it for a little bit. Little update, I've actually been baking a lot here. Also, I just broke my tripod, so I don't quite know what to do with my camera at this very moment. I'll just squat. But making cookies, these are my favorite ones. I've actually been baking here a lot more than I thought I would. And for today, instead of using chocolate chips, I got these really cool truffles. I put them in the freezer. I've been eating like a couple of these a day because they're so good and I crave them after like every meal. But it's really cool because they came in a cool packaging first off, like a box. It opens really cool. I'll show you later. But the wrapper is compostable, which is really awesome. I like truffles, so I think it's like soft in the middle, you know? So I'm gonna like chop these up and put them in here, but I think it might make the cookies a little more chocolatey than usual because, you know, truffles are like, here, I'll chop into it and you'll see. Truffles are like, oh shoot, like so. Fun. I'm really scared. You guys are on my hydro flask. I don't know if you can tell from the video quality, but you're shaking a bit, so hopefully you guys don't fall down because that will be a big problem here. Truffles. This is literally college. I'm cutting on a paper towel so I don't have to clean stuff.
I'm also mixing like different flavors. So it came with like sea salt and like dark chocolate and stuff. I thought it would be a fun flavor combination. So we'll see. Do you see this?
It's just like back home.
More papaya. You can't tell, this is a massive bowl. It was a very large papaya. I'm so scared this is gonna fall again. Light snacking to go with my papaya. I have some pizza rolls, some chicken nuggies. Okay, I was saying, really hard to get fruit here. It's super expensive. So I've been very, very fruit deprived. And I've been eating frozen fruit, which is still good. But I've missed papaya and watermelon so much. Honestly, about to down this whole bowl. But I also just did want to say a little update about like just eating in college. It's only much more convenience based. Oh, I also wanted to explain like the food here at Pepperdine, just in case you're wondering about colleges and about like Pepperdine specifically. It's different because of COVID, but we literally have like one cafe, 3 options, and then there's like tacos and pizza, but even those are pretty limited. From what I've heard, the food used to be a lot better. There's like iPads and stuff. Now it's kind of difficult. You have to wait in really long lines and like there's not a lot of options. Also, if you have like dietary restrictions, there's like one option if you're vegan. There's usually like a sushi bar, pretty mediocre, like small servings that are really expensive. Anything healthy is also really expensive. But some of our dorms do have like kitchens and stuff, so those are really nice. I don't know, there's a salad bar. Usually I'm not a salad person, but there's just like no options here. So I've been eating a lot more salads and a lot of sushi here, but that's my update. Surprisingly, I haven't eaten sushi though in this video. But after my school and food update, I've been going out to eat a lot too. Surprisingly not in this video. Usually I go more in the weekend. That's my little chat. I'll show you when my cookies are ready. Ooh. Oh, wait, this is so pretty. This recipe is very like bakery style, and I like to like slap them when you're done because it gets the nice cracks. You see the nice cracks, guys?
Beautiful.
You smile when I focus.
Voila. Wait, so pretty. All right, guys, we're finished. Look how bomb they look. We still have a couple more to make, but look how pretty and look how cute the plate is. Delicious. But I'm gonna end this video here with me and my cookies. So of course we had to end it with baking because, you know, it wouldn't be a me video without that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this what I eat in a week in my life. Thank you guys so much for watching, coming along with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on baby, be with me so happily.
Gosh, this is terrible. Shoot.
This is our freezer tour. It's very not organized. Finishing touches. Ah!
Oh.
I don't. Ooh. I have. Dude, I'm gonna be flashing these cars driving. Oh.
Put some goddamn moves on you, babe.